Today's buyers demand more from their homes. More flexibility, more functionality, and more innovation. And that's exactly what this Clopay garage door delivers for the 2026 new American home.
The Clopay doors on the house are so unique. They're the first doors that have the electronic glass where you press a button and it goes from clear to opaque.
Avante door with C-Power enabled Click-to-Conceal Panels lets homeowners control the visibility of the glass with the touch of a button. It shifts from clear to opaque, offering the perfect balance of privacy and natural light anytime they need it. More and more, people are using their garages for things like offices, gyms, or entertainment spaces. This door meets that need perfectly, giving homeowners privacy when they need it and natural light when they want it. What also sets this door apart is the seamless integration of technology. The power supply is embedded in the door sections, so there's no visible wiring. It keeps the design sleek and clean.
What a unique aspect for a modern home. It also fits right into the design. Modern homes are about glass, they're about metal, they're about stone, and they're about clean, sleek, long lines. And so the Clopay doors with the long rectangular glass through the middle of them that can be clear or opaque, it just fits the look and feel and style of this home.
Traditional glass garage doors look great, but privacy can be a challenge. Now you get both. Modern openness when you want it, complete concealment when you don't. One door, two experiences, zero compromise.
Clopay doors are really phenomenal.